Good morning, students. Welcome you all in your class of English. Myself Kamal Nath, and I am going to conclude you the next part of the story, Patol Babu, film star. We have already started this story, and in the last video session, 2 video sessions, I explained you about the author, great human, great director, writer, filmmaker Satyajit Ray. And in the second part of the story, that was the story part, I explained you in the beginning about the early life of the central character Patol Babu in the film. This is the second part of the story in which I am going to explain what happened about Patol Babu, who was offered a film by his neighbor, and how did he perform in the movie. What happened? Did he get any appreciation as he was going to perform in any film after 20 years? He had already given up acting 20 years earlier, and in that video I had explained you what was the reason that he had to give up his acting. And let us see in the second part what is in this part and what happened to Patol Babu, the great actor. As I had told you that his life was full of struggling. He tried everything to make a livelihood, but he was not successful. Those days were very difficult. In the process of earning for survival, Patol Babu almost forgot his passion for acting. I have already explained you how much, in fact, interested he was in acting. He had already acted and played great roles in theatre, local theatre, and he was getting great appreciations from the people. The audience bought the ticket. As I had told you in the earlier part of the story, they bought the ticket just to see the acting of Patol Babu. But due to some circumstances, as I told you, he was terminated due to the Second World War, his job from railway. And of course, the life was very difficult for him to maintain his livelihood. So, in the last 20 years, due to just the problems and lack of job, he almost forgot his passion, his craze for acting. When Patol Babu informed his wife about the offer, that he had got the offer to act in a movie, she didn't believe. His wife didn't believe about it. But he did not give up his hope. He waited for Naresh Dutt at 10:30 am as he was coming to talk to you about the role or about his work. Naresh Dutt finally arrived and introduced himself. As you know, he was one of the relatives of Nisikanto Babu, the neighbor of Patol Babu, who had told him to wait Naresh Dutt. So Naresh Dutt arrived finally and he introduced himself. Patol Babu lacked confidence because he had already forgotten almost. 20 years duration was a long period. So he was lacking that time confidence and asked him if he really thought he was the best suited for the role. He told Naresh Dutt if he was offering him, did he think that Patol Babu was best suited for the role he needed in the movie, in the film. He asked Patol Babu to report to the site Faraday House the next morning, where the shooting was to take place. That site was Faraday House in Kolkata, and he told him to come next morning at the site. When Patal Babu asked him about the role, Naresh Dutt said that his role was of an absent-minded and short-tempered pedestrian who had to collide with the hero of the film. Means he had to play the role of an absent-minded person who is not very much careful while walking on the road, or where he is, where and how to interact. That is absent-minded. Short-tempered means the person who becomes angry shortly, easily, on minor matters. So he had to play the role of such person, and he was a short-tempered pedestrian who had to collide with the just hero of the film. That was what here he was explaining. Patal Babu was extremely happy and informed his wife, but she didn't show any expression, as she didn't believe what he was telling was really right, was correct. The next morning, Patal Babu reached Faraday House, the location, the site where the film was to be shooted, on time. He just came there on time, and he saw a big crowd with lots of cameras and shooting instruments there. Naturally, where the shooting is to take place, there are people, just concerned with that one here, associated with the movie, and at the same time there were several cameras, instruments. Naresh Dutt instructed him to wait for his turn. When his turn was coming, so he told him, requested him to wait. Patal Babu was curious to know his dialogues. What was the dialogues? What were the sentences or words he had to, in fact, here speak? Naresh Dutt asked Shashikanto. Shashikanto was a person here related to the just one of the crew members. So he told Shashikanto to give him dialogues, what Patal Babu had to speak. In this way, Shashikanto tore a page and wrote something on the paper and handed it over to Patal Babu. He tore a piece of paper, he wrote the dialogue on that piece of paper and handed over to Patal Babu to see what he had to speak. Patal Babu read that paper, what he had to speak, what dialogue he had to speak. He was very disappointed to see his dialogue. It was only one word, oh. He had to speak only single word, one word. That was oh. Nothing else. So he was disappointed. That was just the role only he was offered to play. Single word. What could he speak? How could he show his talent? He thought that he was called there to be made fun of. And he realized that it was not just a role, but he was called there just to make him fun of. So Shashikanto convinced him that he was playing a very significant role, very important role in the scene, and he should not resent, he should not mind. It was very effective, it was important, so he should not really think about the word, about dialogue. It was a very short dialogue, single word. So Shashikanto and Jyoti explained the scene in detail to Patal Babu and instructed him to wait on one side. He told to just wait on side. He felt very let down. He was thinking that it was really just in any way made here undermined. He was insulted, in fact, and crumpled the paper in his hand and threw it. Just what was to remember? Single word, small word, oh. So he crumpled the paper and threw it. He wanted to leave the site, but then he remembered his mentor who had coached him, who had been a great guide for him only when he was acting in his youth in the theatre. He remembered the word, of his mentor. His mentor, Mr. Prakasi. His name was Prakasi. His mentor was Prakasi. he remembered the word of his mentor Prakash Singh. He had told him that no role was big or small. One must make the best of every opportunity. And so that was also an opportunity in his life there. It was in the hands of the actor to make the role effective. He understood here that that was an opportunity, and his mentor had suggested, you never see your dialogue, how lengthy your dialogue is and how long you are going to play in the movie. The important thing was here the opportunity. What opportunity you are getting? What opportunity you are getting? Patol Babu was convinced, and he rehearsed his one-word dialogue with many expressions. He was a good actor, and he knew that O had several meaning. O can be spoken in different ways to express different tone. So what was the just really dialogue, and what was the circumstances to speak that one? And that's why he rehearsed several times he spoke the same word, single word. Oh, in what way he could make it more effective, that he just did, and he rehearsed again and again. Finally, when his turn came, he suggested to the director that the scene could be more realistic if he collided with the hero while reading a newspaper. He suggested himself. Sometimes it happens, some artists really put his own suggestion as well. So he also suggested that if he would collide with the hero while reading a newspaper, it would really present here a better scene. And he was his suggestion was approved. So the director immediately arranged a newspaper. The director suggested putting a false mostek on Patol Babu's face. Mostek, he was given a mostek, false mostek. He gave his best shot for the scene, and everyone appreciated his acting skills. It was a single, monosyllable word, single word. And that was what here he did it, and his role was appreciated. Everyone who was standing there, they all appreciated. Patol Babu was satisfied with his performance, and he just stood near the pan shop. He felt very proud of himself that his acting skill had not faded, but he was dejected at the very next moment. It was because the filmmakers did not give much attention to momentarily work. It was momentarily, means just for a few seconds work only. They did not really pay any attention, the role was played. So he knew that he wanted the remuneration of his work very much, but that 20 rupees could not be measured against the intense satisfaction of his performance. Patol Babu left place without taking his amount. He did not really wait for the amount or fees being paid for the just a role he had done. So he left the place just because he was satisfied with the role that he had done only. That gave him satisfaction. The appreciation he got from the crew members, that was what he had just prize, and that was the fees only, he thought. So the director searched for him, but then the next minute everything was forgotten, and the camera started rolling for the next shot. So was what here the just Patol Babu's role, his satisfaction, and the here attitude. With what attitude and passion he did only, that was very important. So thank you, students. Thank you being with me. I will discuss the question answer in the next year just video. Thank you.